How to ask ChatGPT to create a business plan. If you want to create a business plan using ChatGPT and you have a very good business idea, here's how you can go and do this. Just follow these steps. I will show you guys in this video. Now I can open ChatGPT, and first thing that we can ask ChatGPT is to, let's say this is our condition. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt for creating a detailed business plan on starting dropshipping using Shopify. Now on a click, it will generate that prompt for us, and here are the details that we can include in our business plan. Let me just copy this one and paste it right here. And now here I can edit this prompt according to what we need or not. So simply clicking this button and it will start generating that business plan for us with everything that we demanded in the prompt. Now, that's how you can go and do it for yourself as well. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.